Medicaid trust is a living trust that is used to protect your assets if you or your spouse need long-term care services, such as a nursing home or even in-home care. And most of us, of course, would prefer to stay at home for as long as possible. The Medicaid trust allows you to transfer your home and other assets out of your name and into the name of your trust, a trust that you can create for the benefit of your family, so that when you need long-term care, you can qualify for Medicaid to cover the cost of those services. The Medicaid trust is usually created for the benefit of your children, but unlike gifting the asset directly to them, the trust preserves the tax benefits and protects your property from your children's spouses and creditors. That's why many people prefer to have a living trust as a part of their estate plan. Once the trust is created and funded, it would start the clock for the Medicaid 5-year look-back period. That's right. Once you create a trust, it usually takes 5 years before you can apply for Medicaid. That is why it's important that you start planning when you are younger and in relatively good health. We recommend our clients to look into Medicaid planning once they retire, typically in their 60s or early 70s. Why is it so important? The cost of long-term care services is exorbitant. It could easily reach $12,000, $15,000 a month, sometimes even more. That's include not only a nursing home, but the care at home or in an assisted living facility. Know that long-term care is not covered by your Medicare or health care insurance. These services, however, may be covered by Medicaid as long as you plan ahead of time to qualify for the program. If you or your spouse cannot be independent and are in need of assistance with activities of daily living, it could cause financial ruin to your family. Without proper planning, we see many families run through their entire savings and have to mortgage their home to cover the costs. To make matters worse, statistically, over 70% of those who are 65 or older are expected to need long-term care at some point during their lives. Think about this. It's 2 out of 3 of us. And for a married couple, it's almost a certainty that one of the spouses would need long-term care, whether at home, in an assisted living facility, or a nursing home. That is why it's so critical that you have a plan. Make sure to learn and explore your options. Talk to your attorney about Medicaid planning and using a trust to protect your assets for your family. Don't wait. Have a plan.